Hey, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Car Release TV, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into something truly special. The all-new 2025 Chevrolet C10. This truck isn't just a throwback to a classic, it's a perfect fusion of vintage charm and modern muscle. If you're a fan of bold designs, cutting-edge technology, and serious power, you'll want to stick around for this one. Before we jump into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you enjoy content like this. Share it with your fellow truck lovers, and let's get into it. Now, let's talk about the design of the 2025 Chevrolet C10. Chevy's really pulled off something remarkable here, blending the best of the past with the future. The bold, wide grille. It's a clear nod to the classic C10 models of the 1960s, but it comes with modern aggressive lines and a large chrome Chevrolet emblem that screams power. Add in those advanced LED matrix headlights, and not only does the truck look fierce, but it also ensures superior visibility in any weather, day or night. And if you think that's impressive, wait until you see the stats. The C10 sits on massive 22-inch aluminum alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, giving it a muscular look that's as ready for off-road adventures as it is for the city streets. Plus, the power-operated tailgate and sleek LED taillights are the perfect blend of utility and style. Whether you're loading up gear or just admiring the view from the back, this truck's got you covered. Stepping inside, you'll find a cabin that perfectly balances luxury and utility. Chevrolet has pulled out all the stops here with high-quality leather upholstery that feels premium while remaining durable. The heated and ventilated seats, ideal for any climate, keeping you comfortable no matter what's going on outside. And let's talk space. There's plenty of legroom, making this truck perfect for long hauls or a night out with friends. At the center of it all is the 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system, where tech meets convenience. It seamlessly integrates Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 360-degree camera, so you've got full control and visibility at your fingertips. Maneuvering in tight spaces or rough terrains has never been easier. But the 2025 C10 isn't just about looks and tech. It's a beast when it comes to performance. You've got two engine options. First, the 6.2-liter V8 that churns out a jaw-dropping 420 horsepower, perfect for towing, off-road adventures, or simply cruising with all that power under the hood. For those who want something more fuel-efficient, there's a 3.0-liter inline-six turbo diesel engine offering 277 horsepower, giving you the best of both worlds, power and fuel economy. With its 10-speed automatic transmission, the C10 delivers smooth, responsive shifts whether you're on the highway or tackling rough terrain. And when it comes to towing, this truck is no slouch. It can haul up to 13,000 pounds, making it perfect for those heavy-duty jobs. So there you have it, the 2025 Chevrolet C10, where classic design meets modern innovation. Whether you're in it for the style, the tech, or the raw power, this truck has it all. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for tuning in to Car Release TV, and we'll see you in the next one.